Hello, in front of me I have FITBIT Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply double tap on the screen, like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the shortcut menu. Now scroll up by swiping down on the screen, like this. Find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down. And at the bottom you should have option called Restart Device. Tap on it. Then scroll down. And here you have the Restart button. Tap on it to confirm and restart your device. And now let's wait until the device is done rebooting. Let's check. Oh, as you can see, it's still rebooting. And here it is. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.